Hi there, this is Alan from Obra product team. Would love to give you a quick demo and show you what Obra can do. So here's Obra's marketing website. It's obra.co/hire. Anyone can come in here, and if you click sign up, you got brought into the product. The first time will ask you a couple onboarding questions, but you will land here really quickly. There are a couple ways you can start your search within Obra. You can just type to say, hey, I'm looking for a product manager in California with 5-year experience. You can click job description. You can upload your job description. If you have an applicant tracking system, we are connected, integrated with over 85 of those. You can connect to ATS and then pull jobs in to jumpstart your search. Or you can click filter search, and that will show you all the filter you can start from scratch. Other things people also do is sometimes people will go and create a project, which is a positional requisition, and you can collaborate with other people, other recruiter, hiring manager, adding people to the pipeline for continuous sourcing. For this demo video, I will just do a quick search to say product manager in California with 5 years of experience. Okay, so you'll pull through the result on this criteria page and tell you how many candidate profile we are estimating to have for those criteria you define. Down here you have job title, location. You can change the radius of your location. You can see filters such as must have and nice to have. So within must have, you can add more. Oh, let me move this around. You can add more things here, and that will give you ability to narrow or expand your candidate pool. On the other side, if you have nice to have, you can change the order of this candidate showing up on the search result. You can preview the candidate to see if this is the right kind of people you are looking for. If you view a couple profile, it looks good, you can click confirm search, and that will pull the rest of the candidate through in this search result. Usually take a minute given the amount of data we have. After you pull through, a couple things to share is you can see the full profile here. You can see based on the must-have and nice-to-have why these candidates fitting your search criteria and showing up here. There is this quality score, which is a checklist to show you, hey, whether this person recently been contacted or applied to a job, what information we have about the person. If you like this person, let's say we like Justin a lot, you decided to wanting to contact Justin, we tell you first, we have the phone number and email here, and you can click reveal. Once you click reveal, you see I'm using one of the credit, and then now we got phone number, email, and his resume. You can do it through every single candidate inside of Obra. You can download the resume if you would like. You can select multiple of those things and download all together. And when you are downloading, you can download into a CSV, you can download the resume into PDF or Docs. You can set more criteria here. You can adjust filter to say, hey, I only want to see people who have email or phone number available for their profile. For Obra, you can also add this person to a project. That's why I showed earlier, if you're collaborating with people or you don't want to start your search from scratch every single time, you can just add this person to a project and it will be added to the project. Great. So other things to show really quickly is if you go to settings, there's integration. You can see these are 85 different ATS we integrate with. Once you integrate with it, we can pull your jobs into Obra's ecosystem, and we can flag you when a candidate already exists in your ATS. You can go to the credit tab. You can see all the credit history that's being used and who from your team has used those. Last thing I will share on this call is our SKU. So basically, we have a free tier. That means free. You can come in and use Obra for free. Every month we give you 1,000 profile views and 50 contact credit for free. One candidate will be one contact credit, right? So like If you see a candidate, whether he has phone number, email, LinkedIn profile, if you want to do the reveal thing for that candidate, it's 1 credit. For our paid tier, we have Explore, which is most suitable for solo recruiter, and Scale, which is 1,200 credit per license, and that's a team license. So you can add multiple people from your team and collaborate with people. You can see everyone's activity and don't step on each other's toes. We also have enterprise plan, that's custom pricing, right? Like people have different needs on number of credit they need or number of license they need. The out-of-box thing is not suitable for their needs, and they want to sign longer term for a discount. That's where they reach out to us, and we're happy to give a customized proposal. So this is Obra Hire. Feel free to reach out to me. It's alan@obra.co. Any questions, any concern, any thoughts, feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much.